Hello all and welcome to the quarterly product release video for Q2 2026. This time we have quite a lot of products to showcase, starting with these pipes for Mercedes, DAF and Scania trucks. We're also proud to release a DPF kit for Volvo and Renault FH trucks from 2022 onwards. Also, we are proud to introduce this transfer section for MAN silencers starting from 2018 and onwards. Then we also have released two new versions of the silencers for Iveco trucks, and these are quite special because in combination with some different DPFs you can actually cover the whole Stralis and Trakker range. And last but not least, there's something from the mechatronics segment as well. We are finally ready to release the long-awaited AdBlue Pump Edition, which actually comes as a successor to the 5AP002. So this new item is called 5AP008 and it covers all of the cross references from 5AP002 with full backwards compatibility, including some new ones that were not available before. So that is it for today. Make sure to follow us on social media and see you next time.